Well, hi, this is Wayne again with Specialized Maintenance Awning Cleaning Service. Today is June the 16th, 2009, and what we're about to do is to clean this awning. We're going to give you a good look at it. It's got some yucky mold and mildew. Here's kind of a bad spot right there. See, it doesn't look real good right now. We're going to spend a couple hours on it and see if we can bring it back to nice looking. It's the underneath side. Let's creep up this ladder and see what we got cooking here. As the water flows down the awning, it will kind of keep it wet, which where the mildew grows and the mold. We're in a real damp environment here. See by all the trees. It produces lots of humidity. That's a jet from Love Field. I guess just taking off. We're in Dallas, as I said, not far from Love Field. I'm going to move the ladder and we're going to get you another view of it before we start working on it. Stand by just a second, please. Well, there's a good shot of the yucky old moldy mildew awning with lots of debris on the top. We had a storm come through here a few days ago. Left lots of branches and twigs. Well, let's see what we can do about getting this cleaned up. I'm going to get started here. Just thought I'd let you have a preview of what it looked like before my awning cleaning takes place. Just a minute, we'll show you the good stuff. Well, this was the worst of it, so we're doing some preliminary cleaning tests to see what it's going to take to get this taken care of and cleaned up. You can see we've removed the twigs and the leaves and the little branches. Now we're working on this little corner where it's really been gathering right here. It's where all the debris gathers and it creates lots of mildew and mold. So anyway, we're working on this. We're making some progress, as you can see. But we still have a lot more to go, so we'll keep at it. Thanks. Bye. Well, hi, I'm back here with my project. As you can see, we've made about 2 hours worth of progress. Let's take a look at the awning now and see what you think. We're not quite done with it. We have a final rinse to do. We'll climb up on the ladder and see what's going on. This final rinse will clear off about another 10% of the mold and mildew. See, we've got some spots here, but you can see we're remarkably cleaner than we were. It's amazing what knowing how to clean an awning, the right chemicals, what it can produce. Maybe we'll give you a final view of this thing as we wrap it up. But here's where it stands about 2 hours into the process. About 90% of the dirt, mold, mildew, bird droppings, and environmental dirt cleaned off. Talk to you in a bit. Well, we've just finished our project here. It's about 12 o'clock noon. So it took me just about 2.5 hours to finish this up. We'll give you a quick look at it. Person that hired us said it looks like a brand new awning. Well, it does have some wear on it, and it's a couple years old, and that mildew and the mold has really gotten into the fabric fibers, but it looks clean on the outside. And if they keep regular maintenance, this is going to keep it really looking nice and lasting longer. Let's go up here on the ladder, see what we got. So with the proper skills, chemicals, and techniques, this can really look good again. I'm going to climb down the ladder and get you on the other side so you can see that too. Okay, let's take a look at this other side here. As long as nobody runs me over here where I'm videotaping. Wow, what a difference, huh? That sun's shining, so it's kind of looks light there, but in the shadows you can see we got a great job on this one. Well, another project here that we successfully completed here in Dallas, Texas. This is Wayne with Specialized Maintenance Awning Cleaning Service saying goodbye, and thanks for viewing this video. It's always a pleasure to share these experiences with you. Have a great day. Take care.